I'm Myra.
And I'm Daryl.
And today we are in Virginia and we are hiking the Black Ridge Trail at Rocky Knob Recreation Area, which is right off the Blue Ridge Parkway.
It's one of our favorite trails. We've done this trail many times before. We enjoy it because it has so much variety. You start off in a forest. There's an awesome little creek crossing, which I love. There's a unique rock formation, an old homestead. My favorite part is when you cross over into the pasture and you have some sweeping views of the surrounding areas. And today looks like it's going to be a great day for that.
It's about a 3-mile loop.
Yes.
And it's just beautiful. So come along.
So we haven't been on this section or this trail itself in probably over a year, and one of the things that we've noticed is this section has never been this washed out and rutted out, and we've also got some trees down along the trail now. It's making it a little bit more difficult than it normally is because of how washed out the trail is. Still manageable. It's just a lot more ruts and loose rocks to deal with than we normally have to right now. And as you can see, it looks like it rained fairly heavy in the last day or two and washed it out even more. So here's another tree that's across the trail that wasn't here the last time, and as you can see, they were thoughtful enough to put a blue blaze on the tree to make sure we knew that this was part of the trail. And it's high enough that you can easily go under.
So when you come up that old washed out, rutted out road or ravine, at the top is this beautiful fence, and on the right we think it's private property, and on the left is the park.
So about 2 miles in, you're gonna come up on your turn, and you can see the marker clearly defined. And this is where my favorite part begins. You're going to make a left turn, go through a short meadow, actually walk across the parkway, and climb over a fence with a ladder, and that's where you enter the pasture. And I don't know if you can tell or not, but we're a little worried because there's some really dark clouds moving in. This is my favorite part. So we're in the pasture, been here maybe 5 minutes, and that cloud that we thought had passed us apparently is straight overhead, and just a little bit of rain. Hopefully it won't last very long because we are out in the open. Funny thing is the last time we were on this trail, we were caught in a torrential downpour just a little bit further up on the trail and had to run for the car. So hopefully this passes quickly. And this is why we love this section of the trail.
It's raining. We found this cool tree, so we're just gonna have a snack. What you have there, Dale?
I have a Nutri-Grain bar.
And I don't think it's gonna rain long, so we're just relaxing, enjoying this beautiful, beautiful view. And we're very close to the end. How much further do you think we have?
Probably a little less than a mile. The rain seems to be tapering off.
I don't think it's raining, but it's a really beautiful spot. I'll turn the camera around here so you can see where we are. Okay, go ahead. I'm gonna go down to, is this an apple tree?
Looks like apples from here.
So we stopped under this tree while it's raining. Notice there's a fruit tree down here. Is it apple? Is it an apple tree? Let's go see. Wow, this is a minefield because it is a cow pasture. Having to watch my step. It's still raining a little bit, but the sun is shining. Oh, it's apple. Apple. cow is talking to us. Being very loud. So we are still hiking, but we're nearing the end of this trail. And one of the things we always do is talk about food when we get near the end. What are we gonna do? A post-hike treat. And I think we're gonna drive to Floyd. We're near Floyd, or in Floyd. And there's this, what's it called? Is it a mercantile or like an old country store?
Country store. It's just a great place.
And last time we were there, we got, what did I get? I got like a quiche and a salad. What did you get?
I got some kind of sandwich. I'm not really sure what it was, but it was delicious.
So, we're gonna go eat. So, when you come out of the pasture, you'll go across one of those little, is it called a stile? Is that what you call it?
It's a ladder over the fence.
A ladder over a fence. And now we're back in some woods. We are walking here. So when you come out of the woods, there's this really beautiful view. So this is the end of the hike and one of the most beautiful views right at the end. But you can also just drive to it. But it's the adventure.
Great.
Alright, so we're at the end of our hike. We made it the 3 miles. So now we are gonna go have a late lunch. I think we've earned it.
Yes, great day for a hike.
Thanks for tagging along. So we're at the Floyd Country Store for our post-hike feast. What do you have there, Daryl?
It's called the Sheriff.
It's called the what?
The Sheriff. It's like a Reuben sandwich.
And that's slaw.
Yes.
And I got chicken salad and a salad. Yum. This is gonna be delicious.